Today we're diving into a pressing issue that's been stirring up quite the storm in Zimbabwe. Yes, I'm talking about the struggles faced by the employees of the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority, also known as Zimra. These dedicated workers have been battling with incredibly low salaries that hardly cover their basic needs like decent housing, transportation, and food. Imagine going to work every day knowing that no matter how hard you push, your paycheck won't cover your monthly expenses. That's the harsh reality for these employees. Recently, these issues have boiled over, leading to a series of strikes and collective job actions. The employees, represented by the Zimbabwe Revenue and Allied Workers Trade Union, have been in a deadlock with Zimra management. Despite numerous meetings, they haven't reached a satisfactory agreement on salary adjustments. They've even requested that their housing and transport allowances be paid in US dollars to mitigate the effects of hyperinflation and a depreciating local currency. Sadly, these talks haven't borne fruit yet in a display of unity. Other unions like the Zimbabwe Banks and Allied Workers Union have come forward to stand in solidarity with the Zimra workers. They've called upon workers across sectors to support the Zimra strike until their demands are met. Amidst all these, Zimra continues to lose a significant number of new hires. A shocking 70% of new employees left their positions last year due to the poor pay and work conditions. Most of these were fresh graduates, hopeful and eager to contribute. What a massive loss of potential and morale. Now let's put things into perspective. This isn't just about a group of employees asking for more money, it's about justice, dignity, and the sustainability of an essential public service in Zimbabwe. The economic crisis in the country, marked by high inflation and price surges, has made it nearly impossible for these workers to maintain a basic standard of living. So what can be done? It's clear that both immediate and long-term solutions are needed. Immediate actions might include meeting some of the workers' demands to alleviate their dire financial stress. In the long run, however, systemic changes are necessary to ensure fair wages and working conditions. It's a complex situation and there are no easy answers. But one thing is clear, the workers at Zimra deserve to be heard and deserve a fair shake for their crucial role in keeping Zimbabwe's economic engines running. That's all for today, folks. Remember, this isn't just a local issue. It's a global reminder of the importance of fair labour practices and economic justice. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's all support the fight for a fair workplace wherever we are. Until next time, take care.